It's been a while since I've drawn one of these. Tonight we're drawing one of the new guys from Scarlet and Violet. Tonight we're drawing the new guy known as Wiglett. Wiglett is basically one of Diglett's evolved forms. He's also a water type. And it takes like half a minute to draw this guy. It's not really that bad. You just have to draw a really long upper half. Then draw this thing in the sand. And that's it. That's how you draw a Wiglett from Scarlet and Violet. This guy, I consider him one of the new releases. And I hope to see this guy in the games. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and let me know what Pokemon you want me to draw next. Good night. Let's see if I can make the body longer.
Learn more about the 2% challenge at WeSaveSaveIt.com. Come to the all-new Monster Crab and Crab Lakes, 100-style seafood boil or restaurant bar. Enjoy a variety of fresh, authentic Asian seafoods like crab, lobster, crawfish, and bowls. Experience the saucy spirit of the boil.